Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Range Rover key. First, let's identify the common issues you might encounter with your key fob. Often, a non-responsive key can be a simple fix, saving you time and money. We'll walk through initial checks and easy solutions before considering more complex repairs. This guide aims to empower you with the knowledge to get your key working smoothly again. Before diving into repairs, always perform a quick visual inspection. Look for any cracks, dents, or signs of moisture that could indicate damage. Sometimes, the key might just need to be resynchronized with your Range Rover, a process that can often be done manually. If you have a second key, try it to determine if the issue is with the key itself or the vehicle's receiver. A dead battery is a very common culprit for a non-responsive key. Most Range Rover key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is easy to replace. Carefully open the fob, swap the old battery for a new one, ensuring correct polarity. After replacement, you might need to perform a simple reprogramming sequence, often involving pressing buttons while in the ignition to resync it with your vehicle. If basic troubleshooting and battery replacement don't resolve the issue, it might be time to consult a professional. Internal circuit board damage or advanced programming problems often require specialized tools and expertise. A Land Rover dealership or a reputable automotive locksmith can diagnose and repair more complex issues or provide a new, programmed key if necessary. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.